students, in the previous class we discussed about what are called regional numbers, Roman numerals and the basic rules that we have to follow to write the Roman numerals, right? Have you remember? So in this class let's solve some problems on the Roman numerals. Okay, see here the question is, write the Hindu Arabic numerals for these Roman numerals. Okay, the first question is XVIII. Okay, in the Roman numeral X represents 10. Okay, X represents 10, then this V represents 5. This 1 becomes 3. In the rules I already told you that the Roman symbols are successively repeated, we have to add those values, right? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Okay, triple 1 represents 3, and here this 3 is smaller than this 5, right? In the Roman numerals the symbol of the smaller value written right side of the greater value. At this time we have to add these two values, that is 5 plus 3 we get 8. Okay, and here this 8 is also written right side of this X. X represents 10. Okay, and here also this 8 is written right side of this 10. At this time we have to add these two. Okay, 10 plus 8, that is 18. Okay, like this we can convert the Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, in this question X, 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 then VI. In the Roman numerals, when the symbols are successively repeated, we have to add those values. This triple X becomes 30. Then this V and I represents 6. This 6 has the smaller value compared to this 30. At this time, we have to add 30 and 6, that is 36. Okay. Here X, X and triple I. This X, X represents how much? 20. This triple I represents 3. The symbol of the smaller value is written right side of the symbol of the greater value. We have to add these two values, that is 20 plus 3, 23. Students, in the rules I already told you that X and I can be repeated up to 3 times, not more than 3 times. Remember that point? Okay. Let's move on to the next main. See, in this column we can see the Roman numerals and in this column Hindu Arabic numerals. We have to match these two columns. X, V. X represents 10, V represents 5, 10 plus 5, that is 15. In this column where we can see the 15? Here. So let's match these two 15. Okay, and X. I represents 1, X represents 10. When the symbol of a smaller value is written left side of the symbol of a greater value, at this time we have to subtract the smaller one from the greater one. Okay, that is 10 minus 1, 9. Let's match these two. Then V. I represents 1, V represents 5. Here also the smaller value is written left side of this greater value. Now we have to subtract 1 from this 5, that is 5 minus 1, 4. In this column here we have the 4. Let's match these two. Then X, V. X represents 10, and when the symbol of a Roman numerals are repeated successively, we have to add those values. That is X, 10 plus 10, 20. This X represents 20. Then this V represents 5. Here also the smaller value is written right side of the greater value. We have to add this 20 and 5. We get 25. In this column here we have the 25. Let's match these two. M. M represents 1000. Okay. Here we have the 1000. M represents 1000. Okay. Have you understand, students? Encircle the meaningless of the following. So we have to circle the meaningless of these Roman numerals. Okay. X, I, V. This is the meaningless Roman numeral. Why? Because here this two I's are written left side of this V. Remember, two I's should not be written left side of any numeral. Okay. And here X, X, X. This has the meaning. Why? Because X represents 10. In the Roman numeral rules, when the symbols of the Roman numerals are repeated successively, we have to add those values, that is 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Okay. X can be repeated up to 3 times. Okay. Here V, I, V. This is the meaningless. Why? Because V's cannot be repeated in a numeral. Okay. I and X can be repeated, but these V's should not be repeated in Roman numeral. Okay. Then I, X, X. This is also meaningless. Why? Because IX represents 9, X represents 10. When the symbol of a smaller value is written left side of the symbol of a greater one, at that time we have to subtract the smaller one from this greater one. Okay. 10 minus 9, we get 1. But in the Roman numeral, we have the specific symbol for this one, that is I. I represents 1, not this IXX. Okay, that's why this is meaningless. Then triple I. In the Roman numeral rules, I already told you about this rule. That is, when the symbol of the Roman numerals are successively repeated, at that time we have to add these values. Then I represents 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. This has the meaning. Then VX. V represents 5, X represents 10. When the symbol of a smaller value is written left side of the symbol of a greater value, at this time we have to subtract the smaller one from this greater one. Okay. But in the rules I already told you about this, V cannot be subtracted. Okay. That's why this is the meaningless. Okay. Here I. This is meaningless. Why? Because I's cannot be repeated more than 3 times. I and X cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Here I's are repeated up to 4 times. That's why this is meaningless. Okay. Then X, I, X. This has the meaning. Why? Because see, XX represents 20, IX represents 9, that we get 20 plus 9, 29. That's why this has the meaning. Okay. Have you understand, students? So let's move on to the next main. Write the Roman numerals for the following. We have to write Roman numerals for these two problems. See, 5 plus 10, that is 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is equal to 18. That is LHS is equal to RHS. I will write the Roman numeral for this 18. Okay. 18 can be written like 10 plus 8. Okay. For 10, we have the symbol that is X plus 8. 8 can be written 5 plus 3. For 5, we have the symbol that is V. Okay. V, then 5 plus 3. 3 can be written triple I. 1, 2, 3. X, V, I, I represents the 18. Okay, then 15 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 22. 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 3 22, 22 is equal to 22. 22 can be written 20 plus 2 and 20 can be written double x. X represents 10, 10 plus 10, 20. For this 2 we can write double I. Okay, I represents 22. Okay, here 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 14 39. 39 is equal to 39. LHS is equal to RHS. We have to write the Roman numeral for this 39. 39 can be written 30 plus 9. 30 can be written 3 times x. Right? We can write the x up to 3 times. X represents 30. Then for this 9 can be written I x. X represents 10. Then I represents 1. 10 minus 1 9. Okay. X represents 39. X represents 39. Okay. Here 25 plus 1 26. 26 plus 9 35. 35 is equal to 35. LHS is equal to RHS. We have to write the Roman numeral for this 35. 35 can be written 30 plus 5. 30 can be written 3 times x. Right? For 5 we have the symbol that is V. Okay? X V represents 35. Okay, have you understand, students? Like this we can write the Roman numerals. This is all about the Roman numerals. Today we completed regional and Roman numerals chapter. Thank you.